When your Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, Kenmore washer, the agitator strips out and it'll spin like this. But when you go to take it off, after you get the bolt out, it doesn't want to come off. And you have a heck of a time. It's loose, but it won't come off. I found a way. If you take these pull hook tools, I think Harbor Freight sells them, and you put them in holes directly across from each other. Like so. And then you're able to actually lift up evenly. Put this phone somewhere. I'm going to hold it in one hand and grab both of these. And as you pick up, straight up, you can get everything lined up and an even pull on it and get it out. See, what happens is underneath this, these splines strip out, and then you get a lip at the bottom here that's not worn as far, and you have to get it lined up with the splines and even to get it up off of there. Hope it works for you.